This tutorial is for Powtoon. It is a great way to make a video presentation, kind of like a slide, but you can add music, you can add all sorts of different things, and it's really fun and interactive to use. So I am already logged in, as you can see right here. So I'm going to show you some things I've already done for a college class. So it's pretty simple to use. Let's see if I can get another one loaded. So this is what it looks like. Down here at the bottom you can control the sound. I made this for ease. It's all about FERPA. You see there's slides over here just like Google Slides or PowerPoint. So over here is all my slides. If I want to add a new one, I just do blank slide. It's pretty convenient. There's stuff over here. This first one is background. This is where you do your text. You can add in characters and pictures. So if I want to add these people, I can just put them over here. This next one is props, which is more just pictures and different things you can add into your presentation. This is shapes. This is where you're adding shapes in your presentation. Images, if you want to find a pre-done image, or you can upload an image from your computer. Video, music, and then you can do special features. The text is pretty simple. You click if you want to do an add a title, a subtitle, add body. So if I add body, it's just going to put it here. And then over here is where I can control all of my fonts. Color, do different effects. The fonts are kind of fun. There's a ton of different ones on here. And the easiest thing is if you star a font that you like. So if I like this smart, I'll star it. And then next time I come in, I can look at my starred font, and here's the fonts that I already had starred from this presentation. There's some portions of this that are paid, but for the most part, it is free. I'm going to delete this slide off of my FERPA, because I kind of like this. If you want to go back to the beginning, I'm going to hit save up here, because I want to save my presentation. But if you want to go back to the beginning, you can easily start a new slide. Let's go back to this one over here. This was still loading. So if I want to go back to the beginning, you can decide, I normally just, there's templates you can choose from. I like to start my own personally. But you can look through here and look for some stuff that is free. Pro Plus is stuff you have to pay for. But there are some great free ones, like this Flash Mob one. You can preview it, you can use it. Like I said, I just like the blank ones and to create my own. There's a lot of different ideas you can use. So if you go to blank Powtoon, now I can go through and decide what I want my theme to be. Sorry guys, my computer is really slow. So let's say I want to do whiteboard. Now here's my presentation, and it gives me all of the stuff over here for whiteboard. Now when I get to this point, I can share this by hitting publish. And then it gives me, I can upload it to YouTube, I can download it, I can share it, and it gives me this little preview of it, and then if I still want to edit it, I can go back and hit publish. So lots of options here. I really like Powtoon. I think it'd be a great thing to try with your kids. I think they would like to do the movie version of it and include music, and it's pretty fun. So that is all I have for